Welcome to Amazing World Facts, where today we take you on a journey to meet a true titan of nature, a living skyscraper that towers above all other plants on Earth. This is the story of Hyperion, the tallest known tree in the world. But this isn't just a story about height, it's a tale of survival, ancient secrets, hidden locations, and the delicate balance of ecosystems. Strap in, explorers, because what you're about to learn will change the way you see forests forever. It was August 25, 2006, when two naturalists, Chris Atkins and Michael Taylor, ventured into a remote, uncharted area of Redwood National Park, Northern California. These men were tree hunters, obsessed with finding the tallest and most impressive trees nature has to offer. After wading through thick underbrush and navigating treacherous terrain, they stumbled upon a tree that instantly looked different. It soared above the canopy, almost blending with the clouds. Using a laser rangefinder and clinometer, they made their first measurements. The result? 379.7 feet, taller than the Statue of Liberty, and even higher than Big Ben in London. They had discovered Hyperion, a coast redwood, or Sequoia sempervirens, that would soon be crowned the tallest known living tree on Earth. To grasp Hyperion's size, consider this. It stands at 379.7 feet, 115.92 meters tall. That's 20 stories taller than a 30-floor building. Its trunk measures over 28 feet in diameter at the base. If laid horizontally, it would span the length of a football field and a half. But here's the twist. Hyperion isn't even the widest or oldest tree in the world. Its height is what makes it unique, a genetic marvel, and a geological accident rolled into one. You might now be thinking, where exactly is this giant? I want to see it. Unfortunately, or perhaps fortunately, the exact location of Hyperion is a closely guarded secret. After its discovery was made public, the area started receiving unwanted attention. Hikers began damaging the surrounding ecosystem, trampling delicate ferns and compacting the soil. By 2022, the National Park Service declared visiting Hyperion illegal, citing environmental degradation and safety hazards. Anyone caught near Hyperion can now face fines of up to $5,000 and 6 months in jail. This action underscores a powerful message. Some treasures of the earth are better left untouched. So what allowed Hyperion to reach such incredible heights? Several factors contribute. 1. Genetics. Coast redwoods are biologically programmed for vertical growth. They've evolved over millions of years to outcompete neighboring trees by climbing skyward. 2. Environment. The Northern California coast is foggy, moist, and temperate, creating the perfect conditions. The fog not only keeps temperatures stable, but also provides moisture through leaves, a process known as foliar absorption. 3. Resilient wood. Redwoods have thick, fire-resistant bark and tannin-rich wood, which makes them highly resistant to pests and rot. 4. River valley protection. Hyperion's specific location shields it from the worst of Pacific storms and lightning strikes, offering a haven where it could grow undisturbed for centuries. But there's a limit. Scientists believe there is a maximum height trees can reach due to gravity and the laws of physics. Water must be pulled from roots to the top leaves, and at around 400 feet, this becomes nearly impossible. Hyperion is believed to be near that theoretical maximum. Though its exact age is difficult to determine without harming the tree, experts estimate Hyperion is around 600 to 800 years old. That means it was already growing. Before Leonardo da Vinci painted the Mona Lisa, before Christopher Columbus set sail, during the height of the Ming Dynasty in China. Just think, Hyperion has witnessed centuries of global history, yet it remains quiet and still, hidden among the ferns. While Hyperion reigns supreme, it's not alone in its kingdom. Other redwoods in the area rival it in size and age. Meet Helios, once thought to be the tallest until Hyperion was found, measuring 377 feet. Icarus, 371 feet, located not far from Hyperion. Stratosphere giant, a monster discovered in 2000, once the tallest known tree. These trees form part of a hidden empire, a cathedral of green pillars, reaching skyward like nature's skyscrapers. Hyperion has survived centuries, but the threats it now faces are unlike anything in its history. 1. Logging. Before protections were put in place, over 90% of the original redwood forests were cut down. Only small fragments remain today. 2. Climate change. Increasing temperatures, drought, and extreme weather threaten the delicate fog cycles that redwoods rely on. Number 3. Human encroachment. Despite warnings, unauthorized hikers still venture into protected zones, damaging ecosystems and compacting soils critical to root health. Preserving Hyperion isn't just about protecting a tree, it's about guarding a living relic of Earth's biological potential. The canopy of a redwood tree like Hyperion is its own world. Researchers have discovered entire ecosystems thriving hundreds of feet in the air. Rare species of salamanders, lichens, and ferns that never touch the ground. Small ponds formed in trunk hollows that serve as breeding grounds for insects. Studying these ecosystems helps scientists understand how life adapts to vertical extremes, and may even provide insights into medicine, climate regulation, and carbon sequestration. The crown of Hyperion is rarely seen. Not even many scientists have made the climb. It remains a mysterious realm, shrouded in fog and suspended above the forest floor like a cloud island. Did you know that redwoods once covered much of the northern hemisphere? Fossils show that sequoia-like trees grew in Europe, Asia, Greenland. These giants date back to the Jurassic period, over 150 million years ago, when dinosaurs roamed beneath their shadows. Hyperion and its kin are among the last living links to that prehistoric era. They are not just trees, they are living fossils holding secrets of a long-forgotten Earth. Hyperion teaches us more than biology. It reminds us that nature still holds mysteries, that exploration is not always about conquering, but sometimes about observing, quietly, respectfully. It shows how age and time are different in the natural world. What we call old, 100 years, is a blink to a redwood. And perhaps most importantly, it urges us to be guardians, not just tourists. Somewhere deep in California's forests, Hyperion continues to rise silently. It's watched civilizations rise and fall, animals evolve, climates shift, and still it stands tall. May we learn to protect wonders like this, not just for us, but for the generations who will never get to see Hyperion, unless we act now. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of giants, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more deep dives into the planet's most amazing secrets. This is Amazing World Facts, and we'll see you in the next adventure.